Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your logo using AI. And this is going to be the website that I want you to go to. It's going to be designermicrosoft.com, or rather, designer.microsoft.com. So for all of those Canva users out there, this is going to be a familiar process for you, okay? So let's get started right here. By the way, I almost forgot, kindly want to remind you that if you're watching this using your MacBook, your Apple devices, or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, which is a Microsoft OS, please stay in the video because it's literally the same process. And for all of the people who stayed at the end of the video, I have an extra tip for you for a little bit more step to give your logo a little bit more quality, okay? So let's get started right here. So on the left side right here, this is gonna be where you put in your text, your prompt, to generate images to use on the logo, of course. And then on this right side, this will be the templates, or rather presetted templates, which can be used for free, so you don't have to start from scratch. However, on this video, I'm gonna take you from the very first step, starting from scratch, okay? So let's get started. So simply click on Generate Image first, and you'll be directed on this search bar. So for example, I want to make a shark logo or a dolphin logo. Let's just type in shark, minimalist, okay? And then let's just say black color, and then solid black background, okay? So I just want to let you know that on this video that this quality will be only limited by your imagination, okay? So while waiting for here, you can prompt everything you want to do here. For example, if you want to choose a dolphin, blue background, neutral background is really up to you. So as you can see, I have three results here. I can just choose one of which if I can want to use. For example, I want to use this middle part right here. Click on it, click on select. Now, I already have one. So for example, I want some more, okay? I'm gonna click generate image some more. Now for this one, I want to click tiger, minimalist. Okay, so I just want to take note that Microsoft AI gives me suggestions. For example, tiger minimalist in the style of a soul leader and cinematic. Let's try that one, okay? So this is actually helpful for me. For example, I cannot put into words what I'm looking for. That's where Microsoft AI comes in. It helps me search for the exact logo, the exact design that I'm looking for, which is personally helps me a lot. So while waiting here, I'm gonna choose this first one, which is actually good. Click generate right there. Now for example, I'm good to go for all of my images here. I'm gonna click on generate, okay? Now I can just choose an image to go through, and then I'm good to go. And then with this one, skip and start with a blank design or recent images. Click on blank design. And by the way guys, choose the resolution here. For example, this is best for Instagram stories, best for Facebook ads, and of course best for Instagram posts. I'm gonna go with this one, 1080 by 1920. Okay? So on this left side right here, I have media, I have visuals, I have text, and of course I have brand kit, where you can start your brand right here. Just save it so you can use it for more moving forward for any other designs. Okay? And then let's just start on this media. For example, you can also upload photos that you want to use as logos on this device using this option right here. You can also use your phone from Google Drive and so on and so forth. Now I just want to use this shark logo right here. I'm just gonna drag it here, okay? Now, for all the Canva users out there, I know you're very familiar on this feature, which is remove background, right? But the best thing about here is it's perfectly free. 100% is free, okay? So as you can see, I removed the background. It became a little blurry. It's not really good. I'm gonna restore it over there. And then, as you see earlier, there is ideas right here. For example, AI, Microsoft is already giving me ideas on how to proceed with this one. I'm gonna go with this. So add your text here. For example, let's just say shark logo. Now, I just want to emphasize here that your imagination, your skills will be the limit for your quality of your logo, okay? Now for example, I want to edit my text. Simply click on it, and then it will pop up on the left side for inspire me some more context, for more caption, for more logo or text here. Simply click on that one, and Microsoft will give you designs over here. It's quite perfect, right? It's really not that hard. Anyway, if you're good with this design, simply click on download, click on download right there. Make sure you have the best resolution, which is PNG. Click on download over here, and directly 100% free, the design has been uploaded to your computer. Perfect, right? Now, for all the viewers that stay at the end of the video, I have another site for you to give this image a little bit more boost. Okay, the quality will be a skill. Let's head over to this another website. We'll be calling it vectorizer.com, which is gonna be this one. Now simply drag and drop your photos, the one you created earlier, right? Now let me just click on downloads over here, click on the logo that I want to drop, click it right there. Simply wait for it to finish, click on download, and automatically it will be downloaded an SVG file, which you can optimize using AI, PowerPoint, or even, I'm sorry about that, not PowerPoint, we call this one Photoshop, Adobe. If you click on that one, it's already upskilled, that you can edit using Photoshop better. Okay, that's actually good now, and that's how you create a logo on Microsoft AI. So thank you so much for watching. Please do the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Have a good one now.